Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Make sure to like, subscribe. And this is my sister. Oh, wait. How do I use this? Wait. It's not working. Oh, there we go. Okay guys, but welcome back to my channel. We're gonna do a role play that I am the mommy and who are you? No, I'm the kid and who are you?
Mommy.
Yeah, so my name is Rose and I'm 6 years old. And then I don't know who's
Real life, your name's Alia.
yes. But so that's I don't know whose car that is, but I hope it's not anyone else's because my sister right here is going to be adopting me. So guys, as you see, we don't have the box of us because we don't want to do it today. Like, if you guys like it, we'll just maybe like still keep doing it. But sometimes we'll do it, sometimes we'll not. Okay.
You don't need to tell about the whole video and keep talking.
Yeah, I can. Okay, well,
Mommy, that's not what
3,
YouTubers do.
2, 1, it starts now. La la la. I've been staying here like for 5 days now, almost like 6, and like they don't make delicious food. They just make like a rotten sandwich, and I was like being sick, like. But I've mostly been staying here 11 days. So yeah. La la
Go pick at it.
la la la. Oh, there's an owner right there. Maybe she wants to adopt me or not.
Yes, we only have one more child. Perfect. I'll adopt. Here is her. Her name's Rose. Okay, she's cute. I'll take her.
Yay!
Let's go.
Okay.
In the car. You in?
Yep. Oh, it's finally nice and comfy in this car of mine.
I'm gonna go pick out your clothes. Just stay in the car.
Okay. Okay, so my mom's still shut. Look at the pool. I'm going inside of it.
Sweetie, no! No!
Why is this happening in the pool since years? Since my
You're
mom
gonna
died.
drown.
What? I got my license. I got my swim license. See?
Okay, but not in your clothes. Now I'm gonna have to wash that.
It's okay, Mom.
I already bought you your swimsuit.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow we could go to the water park. So just hop back in the car, please. Let's go.
Okay. Ugh, Mom, how far is your home? Probably you're on the wrong street. Probably. Probably.
Stop. Not funny.
Okay. What the heck? Is that your home?
No.
Because I have no idea where is your home. Ow! Did you even get your driver's license?
Yes.
Oh my god, woman. Okay, now you're getting out the car.
No.
Mom, could I just go get a car, like a house on this road?
Sweetie, come on.
Mama, you're
Come on.
so. Ugh.
The house is right here. Now calm down.
Watch out, there's a person, you're gonna crash into!
No! Oh my gosh, you're so silly.
It's gonna crash into the poor thing. Come here. Oh my god. Are you okay?
I didn't even crash into her.
I know, but she almost got crashed.
By you.
No, you're driving. I don't even know if you're like 16 years old and you didn't get your driver's license.
I'm literally like
24, Kylie Jenner's?
26.
You're older than her. Wow. Okay, that was awkward. Sorry, mommy.
Now shush. Boing.
I want to be adopted by them.
Hey, no.
They look cool.
Nuh-uh.
Fine.
Not strangers.
Oh my god.
I paid for you for $100.
Really?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Kids are $100.
Can I just go up to my room?
No, I didn't even say where's your room.
Can you put me on roommate?
You little freaking
Isla. Oh my god.
Sweetie, stop moving.
We're like going back and forth.
Now
Okay,
come up here with mommy. Come here. Be careful. This is your room.
Oh la la.
Get the bank.
Oh la la.
Never rob the bank.
Oh, okay.
Actually, this is my room.
No!
It has to.
No, you said this is my room. No, I'm sleeping. Shh. No!
Do you even know how to read?
Seriously.
You don't even know how to read. Come back now.
Isla, but you just said that was my room.
Come back so I can,
No, you abandoned me.
Honey,
Why did you abandon me?
that's why you weren't listening. That's what kids do. That's what parents do when kids don't.
No.
But you do have to listen. Okay, come here.
I'm going for a swim.
Yanni.
Yeah, but I brought my swimsuit.
Well, then I'm done.
Whee!
3, 2, 1.
Okay. Papa got Starbucks! Yay!
I can't believe you.
Glad I got some money. Cash out all my
can't believe
money.
you're doing
Yeah.
this to me. Whenever you say a thing, you be rude to me.
Whoa. I mean, she just banned me, so like. She always. Yes, can I get a Starbucks drink plus a cookie?
Wait, Yanni! Don't you want to be the richest girl in high school? Both of us? Rich sisters?
Yeah.
The richest girls?
Yeah. Let's do that right after this video. But guys, we're gonna end it here. I think that's enough for today. But thank you. We'll do part 2 for Rose plus the mommy. She won't ban me, and then we don't have to fight. So, bye guys. Right, sis? Bye.